you want to change this ugly silver Valance to the cool black one, like the TRD Pro, but not pay the $300? I'm going to show you how for less than $20. So it's up to you if you want to just mask it off, which is perfectly fine. But in all that time you're going to take masking it off and getting it perfect, might as well just take it off. No, it's not that easy. There's 13 clips that go on the back of here. Just lay that down. They look like this. They come out pretty easy. Just some of them are a little bit harder to reach. And then before that, you gotta take off the skid plate to reach behind it. There's just 5 10mm bolts. So it's not super difficult. It just takes a little bit of time. And I will leave a link in the description of a video I actually watched that was super helpful. So what we're going to be using today is a new product I found, and I really wanted to show you guys, and I just thought this project was perfect for it. It is the Rust-Oleum Turbo. Sweet, right? Yeah, it puts out a 10-inch like fan pattern, not like the typical like circular one like a regular spray can would. And you can lay down some serious paint with this. I've seen videos of people doing whole cars with like a couple cans, and this is only $15. I wasn't able to get this one on Amazon right now. They have different colors. I picked these up at Lowe's, so just in case you guys want to know or give it a shot. Sweet. So we're gonna do that on this bumper. A little bit of prep, like always, but it should go down pretty quick. So I'm gonna do about 2 to 3 medium wet coats. I didn't go super detailed on filling in all the little chips and stuff. We go off-road, so it's just gonna get more. Yeah, so let's go.
Apply 2 more coats, 10 minutes apart.
It's that easy, guys. I think it looks way better. You didn't spend $300 at the dealership, and you guys can do this too. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit that like button for me, and I'll catch you next time. Later.